Welcome, wine enthusiasts, to another exciting episode. Today, we embark on a journey through the luscious vineyards of Italy to uncover the hidden gems of Amarone. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the secrets behind this prestigious wine and reveal fascinating facts you never knew. Hello, everyone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Amarone. Amarone, a wine hailing from the heart of Italy, holds a special place in enophiles' hearts. So, let's raise a glass and discover some incredible and lesser-known facts about this exquisite wine. Our journey begins with the remarkable history of Amarone. Dating back to ancient times, Amarone finds its roots in the noble winemaking traditions of the Valpolicella region in Veneto, Italy. Crafted using unique techniques, Amarone has evolved into one of Italy's most prestigious and celebrated wines. What sets Amarone apart is the painstaking Appassimento process. Unlike most wines, Amarone grapes are left to dry for several months after harvest, allowing them to concentrate their flavors and sugars. This meticulous drying process intensifies the aromas and imparts a luxurious richness to the final wine, creating a truly unique taste experience. Amarone owes its distinctive character to the careful selection of grapes used in its production. The dominant grapes are Corvina and Rondinella, which contribute to Amarone's bold and complex flavor profile. These grapes thrive in the Valpolicella region's unique climate and terroir, imparting notes of black cherry, plum, spice, and even a hint of chocolate. Amarone is often referred to as liquid gold due to its remarkable aging potential. While most red wines are enjoyed relatively young, Amarone ages gracefully for decades. The high tannin levels and intense flavors provide a sturdy foundation for long-term cellaring, allowing the wine to evolve and develop remarkable depth and complexity over time. Amarone's richness and complexity make it a versatile wine that pairs well with a variety of dishes. Traditionally, it is enjoyed alongside hearty Italian cuisine, such as slow-cooked meats, aged cheeses, and risottos. However, don't be afraid to experiment. Amarone's boldness can also complement game meats, roasted vegetables, and even dark chocolate desserts. Within the world of Amarone, there are two distinct categories, Amarone Classico and Amarone Riserva. Amarone Classico is aged for a minimum of 2 years, while Amarone Riserva undergoes extended aging, often surpassing 4 years. This extra time in oak barrels enhances the wine's complexity, adding layers of flavor and refinement. Over the years, Amarone's reputation has soared beyond the borders of Italy. Wine enthusiasts worldwide have fallen in love with its boldness and complexity. Today, Amarone is revered as one of Italy's finest wines, gaining recognition and awards on the international stage, further cementing its place among the world's wine elite. And there you have it, wine aficionados. Amarone, a wine born from centuries-old winemaking traditions, continues to captivate and delight palates worldwide. From its noble origins and meticulous Appassimento process to its versatility and aging potential, Amarone stands as a true testament to the artistry and passion of winemaking. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of Amarone. If you found these facts intriguing, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more captivating content, and let us know in the comments below your favorite Amarone experience or any other wine topics you'd like us to explore. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, cheers to the extraordinary world of Amarone. Stay curious, my wine-loving friends.